Hey everyone! This is Scarlett Hayes. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's learn together. Trust me, you won't regret it. The pandas.io.json build_table_schema function is a tool that helps you build a schema for a JSON table. Think of a schema as a blueprint or a description of the structure of your data. It tells you what each column in the table should look like here, whether it's an integer, a string, or something else. When you have data in JSON format and want to convert it into a structured table, you need to know what type of data each column will hold. This is where build_table_schema comes in handy. It inspects your data and generates this schema automatically. Here is a simple example to show you how it works. Sample data in JSON format. Convert the JSON data into a data frame. Build a schema for the data frame. Show the schema. Now run our code. Wow, you guys are amazing. If you're enjoying this coding journey as much as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By doing that, you're not just helping the channel grow, you're also making sure you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials. There's so much more coming your way, and I don't want you to miss a single line of code. Let's do this together. Hit that subscribe button right now.